In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Xero for small business accounting step by step. If you're a small business owner and you want a simple way to manage invoices, track expenses, reconcile your bank transactions, and monitor your profit and loss, then this complete guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up Xero properly and use it to stay on top of your finances. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and go to your main dashboard. The first thing you want to do is customize your invoices so they look professional. Click into the business menu, then select Invoices. From there, go to your invoice settings. Upload your business logo so it appears on every invoice you send. Then set your default payment terms, for example, due in 7 days or due in 14 days, depending on how you operate. Setting clear payment terms helps you get paid faster and keeps cash flow predictable. You can also customize your invoice template with your brand colors and payment instructions, so everything looks clean and professional. Next, invite your accountant or bookkeeper to Xero. This is one of the most powerful features for small businesses. Go to Settings, then Users, and click Invite a User. Enter your accountant's email address and assign them advisor access. This level of access allows them to review your numbers, make adjustments, and help with tax filings in real time, without you having to send spreadsheets back and forth. It keeps everything accurate and saves a huge amount of time during tax season. Now, let's talk about one of the most important habits in Xero, daily reconciliation. Click on the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Here, you'll see your connected bank feeds. Xero automatically imports your bank transactions, which means you don't need to manually enter each expense. Click Reconcile, and you'll see your bank statement lines on one side and suggested matches on the other. Xero's AI system, often referred to as JAX, will suggest matches based on past transactions. If the match looks correct, simply click OK. If not, you can create a new transaction or find the correct invoice or bill manually. Reconciling daily keeps your accounts accurate and prevents errors from building up over time. After that, start sending online invoices directly from Xero. Go back to Business and click Invoices, then create a new invoice. Add your customer details, products or services, quantities, and prices. Before sending, make sure you've connected an online payment provider like Stripe or PayPal. This enables the Pay Now button on your invoices, making it incredibly easy for customers to pay you instantly. Once everything looks good, click Email, and Xero will send the invoice directly to your customer. This not only looks professional, but also speeds up your payment cycle. Finally, regularly review your profit and loss report to understand your business performance. Go to Accounting, then Reports, and select Profit and Loss. This report shows your income, expenses, and overall profit for a selected period. Review this monthly to see where your money is coming from and where it's going. If you notice certain expenses increasing, you can take action early. If revenue is growing, you can plan for expansion. This simple habit helps you make smarter business decisions based on real numbers instead of guesswork. So to recap, customize your invoices for a professional look, invite your accountant with advisor access, reconcile your bank transactions daily, send online invoices with a Pay Now button, and review your profit and loss report regularly. If you follow these steps consistently, Xero becomes a powerful tool that keeps your small business finances organized and under control. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.